We have seen how M.K. Stalin and Rahul Gandhi have given their first reaction on the murder that took place. M.K. Stalin, the Chief Minister of the state of Tamil Nadu, says the murder of Bahujan Samaj Party state president, Mr. Armstrong, is shocking and deeply saddening. The police have arrested those involved in the murder that took place last night. Rahul Gandhi has also given his first reaction. He has said Tamil Nadu Congress leaders are in constant touch with the government of Tamil Nadu, and I am confident that the government will ensure culprits are brought to justice as soon as possible. The two leaders of the DMK and the Congress party, M.K. Stalin and Rahul Gandhi, giving their first reaction with regards to the murder of BSP's party president in the state of Tamil Nadu. M.K. Stalin says the murder of Bahujan Samaj Party state president, Mr. Armstrong, is shocking and deeply saddening. The police have arrested those who have been involved in the murder that took place late last night. Rahul Gandhi also said Tamil Nadu Congress leaders are in constant touch with the government of Tamil Nadu, and I am confident that the government will ensure culprits are brought to justice. My colleague Shilpa Nair is still with me on the story. Shilpa, we are seeing the first reactions now coming in both from Rahul Gandhi and from M.K. Stalin, because this is also something that the BSP was saying, that both the leaders were quiet on this horrific murder that has taken place.
Well, yes, Aishri. In fact, as far as Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's first reaction is concerned, it assumes a lot of significance because the DMK government is under massive fire from the opposition parties here in Tamil Nadu. Be it the ADMK, be it the BJP, all of them are really hitting out at the DMK government, saying that this murder of Armstrong, the state president of a national party in the capital city of Chennai, goes on to show how the law and order situation is in shambles. In fact, ADMK General Secretary and Opposition Leader Edappadi K. Palaniswamy says this goes on to show how the DMK government has been ineffective in terms of handling law and order, and saying that the criminals are no longer fearful of the law or the police or the government, and they're having a free run in Tamil Nadu is what he says. As far as Tamil Nadu BJP chief is concerned, he says Chief Minister M.K. Stalin should take responsibility because he's also the Home Minister who handles the home portfolio, and he says the state of affairs in Tamil Nadu is simply pathetic. So clearly the DMK government is under a lot of fire, and Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's first reaction to the murder of Armstrong, he of course said that all the accused were arrested overnight by the police, and he has instructed the officials that this case must be handled in an expeditious manner, and to ensure that the guilty are brought to book, they get the strictest punishment. That is something that the Chief Minister has put out on his social media platform. And apart from that, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has also expressed his condolences and also expresses confidence that the state government is doing all that it can to ensure that justice is given to Armstrong. So clearly a lot of political reactions coming in at this point in time as far as the murder of BSP state president Armstrong is concerned. While the opposition parties are hitting out at the DMK government, the alliance parties of the DMK, they say the government has taken action. The culprits were arrested within hours of the murder, and the government is taking serious note of the increasing incidence of such heinous crimes. So that is the politics that is of course playing around this particular case. But as far as the situation is concerned, in just a short while from now, the postmortem has been completed. So in a short while from now, his body will be taken.
My colleague Shilpa there, who's standing right outside the hospital from where the mortal remains of the BSP party chief in the state of Tamil Nadu, K. Armstrong, will be taken out.